farmers are 3.5 times more likely to die by suicide. That's according to the National Rural Health Association.
And tomorrow, the Kent County Farm Bureau is bringing in an expert to address mental health in rural areas.
13 on your side's Micah Cho joins us from the newsroom with more information on that seminar. Micah?
Yeah, it's called Empowering Minds, and it'll be a 2-hour seminar hosted at the Fairway Event Center in Lowell near the Kent County Fairgrounds. I talked to the speaker and a member of the Kent County Farm Bureau Board who said the goal is to minimize the stigma of mental health and getting help among some of the hardest working people in Michigan.
And one of our goals is to reduce the number of empty tractor seats.
As someone who has been involved in Michigan agriculture their entire life, Kent County Farm Bureau Board member John Scott knows how hard the profession can be.
When you look at the large capital investment, the significant risk that farmers take year after year, season after season, finances is definitely one of the big rocks.
That's why the Farm Bureau has brought in Ian Hill, a founder of Empowering Minds, an initiative that's looking to get everyday people involved in identifying mental health concerns.
This could be a bartender, an engineer, this could be an accountant, anybody that interacts with friends and family, neighbors and coworkers. If they're equipped of what to look for, what to listen for, what to say and what to do, they can catch the issue upstream before it becomes a downstream crisis.
Hill has been focusing his initiative and first identifier training on rural communities for the past 2 years.
What we're teaching is when someone starts to change their pattern of behavior, 85% of our behaviors are unconscious. When someone starts to change their pattern of behavior, combined with words of hopelessness, words of defeat, words of loss, words of giving up, when those two things combine, there's a challenge.
On top of male farmers having a 3.5 higher likelihood of dying by suicide, Hill says there's a stigma about talking about mental health among people in the rural communities.
There's a find a way, make a way attitude. And that's an asset. At the same time, that can be a liability when it comes to reaching out for help.
Identifying irregular behaviors, how to support others, and keeping tractor seats filled. That's what Scott and Hill hope people will take away.
We want our communities to be vibrant. We want our rural communities to be strong. When you look at our state and our national growth, our small communities make America what it is today. Again, this seminar, which is open to the public, will open its doors for a 5:30 p.m. dinner, followed by Hill's presentation at 6 o'clock. It'll be at the Fairway Event Center in Lowell near the fairgrounds. Elena Juliet.
Thank you, Micah.